Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to simplify a set math question. And this question is x is to power minus 2 y is to power 1 over 2 over x is to power 1 over 3 y is to power minus 1. In order to simplify this condition, first we should move this negative exponent from numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. So in the first step, this x is to power minus 2 will move in numerator and its power will convert from minus 2 to plus 2, and this y which have power minus 1 will move to numerator and its power will change from minus 1 to plus 1 according to basic rule of algebra, and we will get, after moving these values from numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator, we will get y is to power 1 into y is to power 1 over 2 in numerator over x is to power 1 over 3 into x square in denominator. Now in the next step, y which have power 1 will show as y, and this y which have power 1 over 2 will convert in root form under root y over this x which have power 1 over 3, it will convert root power 3 x, and this x square will remain same. This answer, or this is the answer for the set math question. Okay, it means that this answer is enough for your set math question because it is an option for a set math question. But you can see that we can solve this question further, so I will show here the further step for this question. So I will start from here again, and we will simplify this step further, as we know that from the basic rule of algebra, if two values having different power but having same base, then their power can be added together. So here y is the same base and having different power, so here we add both power and we will get y is to power 1 plus 1 over 2, and these both x which having in or existing in denominator having power x have same basis and are in multiplication. It means that their power can be added together, so we can write this expression as x square plus 1 over 3. Now we should simplify both of these values by taking LCM, and when we will take LCM of both of these values, we will get y is to power 3 over 2, because when this 2 will multiply with this 1, it will be equal to 2 plus 1, it will be equal to 3, and over 2 will remain same. And when we simplify this condition as 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1, it will be equal to 7 over 3, and it is the answer for this question, and it is the simplest answer for this question, which is y is to power 3 over 2 over x is to power 7 over 3. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.